Hello beautiful people, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Crush Life app easy peasy, without stress, without wasting of time. So once you have up to 100, you click on your diamond, you click on withdraw, then it take you to this side. Then you put your withdrawal method. Okay, you put your withdrawal method, you click on please bind your withdrawal account first, you click on here. So are you seeing here now? If I want to use Wave, which is available in this country, I can buy with my Wave or PayPal or Pioneer or Binance or USDT or ePay. Okay, but I want to withdraw with my local bank account. So I'm going to change my country because the country I am, it doesn't have my local bank account. So I'm going to change my country to Nigeria. So wherever you are, if you want to withdraw with your local bank account, you change your country, you put your country location, okay, so that it will change. So I click on country, then I'll look for Nigeria. I'll click on Nigeria. Have you seen it? It has bring my country bank, local bank. So I'm going to withdraw this money with my OPay account. So I'll click on bind OPay, account holder name and account number. So after putting your information, you click on submit. Confirm binding, you confirm it, okay? If you're not sure of it, you unbind it, okay? So once that is done, we click back. So now the fee is 2%. So I'm going to put the amount I'm going to withdraw right now.
So guys, I want to try $16. Let me see if it will work out. Okay, so I put 16, confirm withdrawal. So they asked me to put my withdrawal password. Yeah, that is what I'm putting right now, my withdrawal password. So after putting my withdrawal password, then I will confirm it. Okay, then I will click on withdraw. All right, click on withdraw again. You confirm you wish you to apply for withdrawal, you confirm. Then I'll put my security password, which I've done. Then I'll click on withdrawal, applied successful. So I've applied for the withdrawal. So the next thing is to wait for them to release the money to my OPay account. Okay, so before you you continue with any withdrawal, make sure that your information is correct. Very important. Once your information is correct, you're good to go. Okay,
So guys, I went to my message and my withdrawal has been approved. Your withdrawal has been received. Please confirm it manually. If you did not confirm the payment within 1 hour, the system will automatically confirm it for you. So I'll click on more. Voila! Withdrawal has been received. Okay, so this is how much I was paid, 21,000. That was how much I was paid for $16. They collected 1.2 and gave me 14.8. So their fee was $1.2 and what I received was 14.8. So that's it. So let me go and check in my accounts if it has arrived or not before I will confirm the receipt here. So guys, I've confirmed the money entered into my bank account. So I will confirm the receipt here. All right. Yeah. I confirm the withdrawal has been received. So payment confirmed. That's how to withdraw from Crush Life app. Very easy. Easy peasy. I told you guys. So if I've not registered on Crush Life, what are you waiting for? Register. But before registering, please there is something I want to share with you guys. Yeah, but those will be at the end of those video. Okay, make sure you watch to the end so that you see it, or join my WhatsApp group so that you'll know what I want to tell you about crush life. Okay, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share this video, like this video, turn on your notification so that whenever I make any upload, you'll be among the people that will receive it. Without no further ado, let's call it a day.